So here we have the Ford Fiesta EcoBoost Titanium on a 17 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through a few controls on the inside. But from the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. Let's start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of the car from there. So as we approach the back of the car, you'll see we have plenty of boot space along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car now, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of the car, you can see it's in lovely condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. These seats are as good as new. There's loads to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, so now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left hand side we have the rev counter, and on the right hand side the speedometer. At the bottom in the middle we've got the fuel gauge, and then above that the total miles on this car are 17,215. You can change the information displayed there by pushing a button on the end of the indicator stalk for various different bits of fuel economy information all the way back round to the beginning again. If we back out to the steering wheel, on the right hand side we have cruise control, and on the left hand side we have stereo controls plus voice activation for the phone. So hit that button, ask it to dial any one of your contacts list, and it can do that for you without you having to take your phone from your bag or pocket. That is of course once you paired the phone, and that is done over on the central screen and stereo unit just here. You can see first of all this car's got AM radio. Every push of the radio button on the main unit will give us a different frequency. So we've got AM, FM and DAB digital radio. If you want to listen to your own music, you can use the CD player, or you can connect up a USB device, or once you paired your phone you can actually stream music wirelessly via Bluetooth audio as well. And all of those are accessed with the buttons just here. This car's also got satellite navigation. There's a full video showing that working on our website. We then have the climate control, so you can adjust the fan speed, the temperature, direction of the air, hit that button to turn the air conditioning on, or hit auto and the car will maintain the temperature you've asked for by taking control of the fan speed itself, and you can override that at any point in time you wish to. This car's also got stop and start, so it's designed to cut out in traffic when you're stationary to save you fuel. You can turn that system off by hitting that button should you wish to. We have a 5-speed manual gearbox, 12-volt charging socket and the USB input that I mentioned a moment ago. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.